Hello guys, welcome to Tech Brain. My name is Sam, and in this video I'm gonna talk about the new TenTen app. We go to the TenTen app right here. This is a small tutorial for the new TenTen app. It's an app, it's like a walkie-talkie, a digital walkie-talkie. You can add your friends by a PIN code, and then you can talk with them whenever you want, and it works just like a walkie-talkie. So first of all, we're gonna check out the settings of this app. First of all, this is the first screen I got. I just downloaded the app. This is my personal PIN, and I uploaded a profile picture. We go to the settings. As you can see, you see the name, your profile picture, and some other options. We will go to them one by one to check out the options. So you can edit the profile, change your image, edit your name. Power moves, let's check that out. So you go to TikTok. Okay, this is the TikTok of the TenTen app. It's a very popular app these days, with a lot of views on TikTok as well. But we go back to the So the power moves is their TikTok, legal stuff, send the feedback, danger zone, log out. Okay, so they called logging out the danger zone. Do you really want to log out? Log out, delete account, or close? Close. So I'm going to add some friends and make some more videos about the options in the TenTen app. Please let me know down below in the comments if you have any specific questions about this app. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.